Welcome back, everybody. This is part 2 of the thunderstorms for today. It's about 6:20 p.m. These are the storms associated with the approaching cold front. And this cold front is a very significant and very strong and type cold front with a very deep digging trough into the central plains. It was about 75 degrees today with sunny skies after the rain this morning, and it's supposed to drop down into the low 50s by late tomorrow morning, and down into the low 40s by tomorrow night. So I'd say a 25 to 30 degree temperature drop within the next 24 to 36 hours. So I'm gonna film this for a little while. This is a pretty significant storm. Severe thunderstorm warning is all over the area, especially off to the south of us. Those who are familiar with the area, southwestern St. Louis County near Eureka, eastern Franklin County near Pacific and Gray Summit, and then western Jefferson County and central Jefferson County near Festus and in that area. That's coming. So we are in it right now. I don't think St. Charles County has a severe thunderstorm warning, but it might be soon because these are some pretty significant winds. As you can tell, I'm underneath an overhang here, so I should stay relatively dry. But Jesus, look at that wind. And that is a westerly wind, and it has already dropped about 5 degrees, it feels like, within the last 30 seconds. This is a really, really strong cold front and gust front. I'd say this is probably, based on the rain blowing on the street there, I'd say we're going at about 25 to 30 mile an hour winds, gusting to 35, maybe even 40. So I'm just gonna shut up here for a second and let you take this all in. There's a street light there to give you an idea of how heavy this rain is and how hard the wind is blowing. I'm telling you, those gusts are 35 to 40 easy. Maybe an occasional 45, but I would say 35 to 40. Anything that's hitting the 45 mark is probably the wind that's whipping around houses. All right, I'm gonna give it another minute here because I am starting to get a little wet. Alright guys, this is going to wrap this thing up and I'm going to go in and try to get dry. Hopefully everybody enjoys this one. Great day of storms here in St. Charles, Missouri. And whoever's involved in or part of those severe thunderstorm warnings, have everybody stay safe. Take care everybody. Later.